Welcome back to Henry's Garage in day 2 of the engine strip down. We get down to this. We've got the cam completely loose, so I took it out and put it back just so that I've got somewhere to save it, and then we're going to stop for tonight at this point and we'll come back out to it tomorrow. To great excitement, the new socket set arrived early. Weren't expecting it to much later in the day, but got here at about 1:30 or 2. Opened it up and thought, that doesn't look right. That doesn't look like it will fit, and it doesn't. So I went onto a forum with lots of Triumph experience and had a read, and it said, what you need is just your normal 12-point socket. I thought, really? Doesn't sound right. I've never seen a head that looks like that before. But came out and had a look, and there you go. They fit perfectly. Don't need anything special to get those off. You just need your normal socket set. So today, out with the pistons. So we've got the 4 pistons out, and we have those lined up over here in order. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You'll have seen one came out the most easily, and actually these rings, some of them are a little bit loose. When we get over to 2, I mean the rings are just solidified on there, aren't they? So, and you can see how the pistons get dirtier and dirtier as well. Still, that's good move. We're moving forward. Everything's back together. We know where it is. So next thing is the bearing caps. Is that what they're called?
Flywheel.
Flywheel, not the. Okay, so the flywheel next, right? So if we're doing the flywheel next, we will need to put the crane back together so we can support it, I think.
Yeah.
So we'll do that next. Right, so we've got the flywheel off. I've loosened up the bolts on this side and the pulley will come off and all of that. I'm about to loosen off all of the end bearing bolts. We didn't mark the flywheel against the crank, so a bit daft. But we haven't done that in many places, so we've got a few issues there.
Yeah.
But we'll do that. So hopefully I'll have got everything loose. I might not take it apart, but I'll get everything loose tonight. Okay, those 6 bolts there, and the 2 on the end are slightly longer, come out of here. So these six holes that hold this plate in, the 2 at the top are the slightly longer ones. So we need to remember that. Okay, and similar to the other end, I've just gone down and taken these bolts out in this order, like that, and they line up in that order. So we start with the shorter bolt, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 2 really long ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have the alternator one. Then we have the 2 long ones. Then we have the one at the top. And those 3 hold on the gubbins that goes around the side. We've got a bolt here still. I don't know if that needs to come out as well. Okay, we're going to stop there for today. We can get it out. I was going to go and lie the camshaft somewhere and then realised I didn't have anything suitable to lie it on to protect it. So I put it back there, and the thrust washers have fallen out. Plus a couple of the bearings have, so that's okay. So that's good progress again. We've basically now got it stripped down. There's a bit more to do still. So I've got to get the timing off. And then there must be a jack shaft in here that runs through for both the water pump and the fuel pump. So we've still got that to come out tomorrow. But I've almost got it apart, which is great. Now I'm going to have to work out what to do with it.